I hope you've been well. I know it's been a while since I have been able to make a video, but I just got 3 Shaklee orders in and I wanted to unbox them with you, kind of show you what we get in our home on a monthly basis. So as an ambassador, we can also have a loyalty order set up, and Shaklee's version of the loyalty orders, that's their version of an auto ship. They call it loyalty because when you're consistently ordering, you get points, and then you can use those points to get free product. So I have a loyalty order set up, my husband has a loyalty order set up, and that's kind of just how we split it and we get the stuff that we use. So I wanted to unbox these with you, show you what we're getting. It does alternate a little bit. Some products last longer than 30 days, especially the skincare and body care. So you can modify it. I adjust it every month based on what we need, what we use. There are 3 boxes here. So there's one, and there's a big one right here that I can't pick up, it's heavy. So I'm just gonna kind of go through them. I haven't opened them yet and show you what we get. So this one has the conditioner. I've started using the conditioner, I absolutely love it. I had heard really great things about it. And what's nice is that if you previously used Beauty Counter's hair care, the pump fits in this. So I just put the pump in there. Next one, let's see. Oh, I opened it upside down. We have the omega-3 jellies. These are for my kids. Omegas are super important for everyone, especially kids, because it really does help with brain development. But I've actually also recently found it actually also helps with cholesterol. So if you struggle with high cholesterol like I do, take some omegas. We have snack bars. These are actually for my husband's office, but we do have them here in our home. They have several different flavors. I really like these instead of granola bars because they're just a lot healthier. There's not a lot of sugar. Let's see, there's 10 grams of sugar, but you need to add stuff to make it taste good, right? But it does have leucine, which is a really important amino acid. It has 10 grams of protein and it has fiber. So I love these for my kids and for all of us, really. The cherry almond flavor was really great. Dryer sheets. I had not used dryer sheets for a number of years because I know they're so bad for us, but these are really great and they're not toxic, of course, so we use these. And then I have, this is awesome. This is my Radiance C+E. Now I got this for only $10 because they're offering a promotion this month where you get the Radiance C+E, which is normally a $104 product, for $10 when you shop $175. So I already order stuff every month, so might as well add it in for 10 bucks. Dogs. Okay, and then we have my husband's joint complex. I have my probiotic. So I use the Optiflora Pearl and the prebiotic complex. So I add these to my smoothie. This is a powder, and then I take this every day too. Gut health is really important. Sorry if you hear dogs in the background, they're playing. Gut health is really important, especially for someone with Crohn's like I have. So I really try hard to keep my gut healthy. Omega Guard, this is our omegas that my husband and I take. They also have a vegan option, which I have some clients using. Some people don't like to use the one actually from fish oil. Some people are vegan and they want a vegan option, so it's great. This is the gummy multivitamins. My kids take these. I do have some adults that take these also. I've always avoided gummy vitamins because of the added sugar content, but these do not have sugar added. They taste amazing. What they use instead of sugar is monk fruit extract, and they use vegetable juice for color, so no dyes. Remember, Shaklee is a health and wellness brand. They really truly are. They're not going to use anything that's bad for you. And then they also don't use artificial sweeteners, so that's important to know in any of their products. Okay, so the big box. The fun part after this is you get to put everything away. All right, now the big box, this was my order. It had some good stuff in it, I'm sure. So, okay, so speaking of snack bars, I got more. So I got the Toffee Chocolate Crunch Bars. These are one of my favorite. I hadn't gotten these recently because during Lent, my family gives up chocolate. So these, Easter's next weekend. So we'll be able to eat these again, or I will because I don't do Lent. And then I also got the meal in a bar, the blueberry and almond crisp one to try. We had previously had the white chocolate cinnamon one, which is really good, and I wanted to try a new flavor. Then I have another Radiant C plus E. So this offers per account. So since I have an account and my husband has an account, I got two. And there is 60 days worth of pods in here. So these are gonna last me 4 months. So I know how to take advantage of a deal. Okay, and then I have, my Ageless Wand refill. If you're not yet using these Ageless Wands, you need to start. I shared on my social not long ago my before and after photo from like June of last year and then now, and I can definitely see a reduction in lines. And just overall skin tone thanks to the Radiance. But this is the refill and it goes in the pen, and I think I did another video on that. I don't remember. If not, I will. So I get the refill. Then we have our Life Shake, which is the protein powder. We do the plant-based one and vanilla and chocolate. My kids have these every day. I do too. I start my day with one, and we like the vanilla. Well, again, they gave up chocolate, so they're not using the chocolate one right now, but I love the vanilla one because we feel it's a little bit more versatile. You can add different stuff to it. There's lots of great recipes. So if you're looking for a good, clean, real protein powder that's like fully of nutrients, that is for you. Okay, then I have body wash. We all use this body wash now. I use it, my kids use it, so I got 3 because I have one for me and one for each of them. I have my hand dish soap. Absolutely love this stuff. It's concentrated, lasts forever. Our greens booster that I throw in the Life Shake. You can also add these to recipes for like brownies and stuff. So if your kids don't eat vegetables, or if you don't eat vegetables, you can get your veggies. We have the shampoo. Both my kids use this now, especially Max because he has curly hair. It's really great for curly hair. And then I ordered this by accident, my vitamin D. So usually you don't need to take additional vitamin D. It just depends on your current situation. My vitamin D was a little low in my blood work, so my doctor told me to take it for 3 months. I didn't realize this has 3 months supply, so I ordered another one, but it's not expensive, so I'll hold on to it and maybe see if someone else needs it. So that was my unboxing from Shaklee. There are so many things that you can get or replace in your home that Shaklee offers. I am here to help you figure out what is the right fit for your family. So let me know if you want help, or you can use the link I'm posting in the description to kind of browse and look around. I really do hope you will take advantage of this offer for the Radiance C plus E. You just need $175 in your cart. If this is your first order, there's a lot of perks that come with it. Free shipping, a $25 welcome credit. It's a vegan formula. They come in these individual little pods that are biodegradable, so you're not adding waste to the planet. They're just really a great product, a great addition to any skincare. Everyone should be using vitamin C, and they're only $10 right now, so you cannot say no to that. Thanks so much for being here. Please like and subscribe. Sorry I haven't been on doing many videos, but I will be doing more. Have a great day.